If you need to update your credit card information in Webflow, there are two ways you can do it: from your workspace settings or in site settings. We'll walk you through both of them in this video, but keep in mind that whichever way you do it, the update will apply on both your workspace plan and all site plans associated with that workspace. So you only need to do this once and everything will update automatically. Let's start with updating the card in workspace settings. You access this from the dashboard, so if you're in the designer, go up here and then select dashboard. From there, go to account in the top right. Select workspaces, and this will open a page showing all the workspaces you are a part of, either as a member or guest. Select the workspace you want, and it opens the workspace settings page. Right here at the top is the tab we're looking for, billing. Select it and scroll all the way down to payment card at the bottom, and select update card. Type in all the details, click the save button, and the credit card has been updated. Now, just to be clear, this change is all you need to do to update the workspace plan and all site plans associated with that workspace. But if you want another way to do it, here's how you can also update your credit card from within site settings. From the designer, you can go up here and select site settings. Or if you're in the dashboard, select the three dots under any site with a site plan. Go to settings, and it will open the site settings page. What we're looking for is the plans and billing tab. And this time you want to scroll past all the plan details, all the way to the bottom, where you'll see active card. Select update card, type in all the information, save it, and the credit card has been updated for this site and your workspace and all other site plans associated with that workspace. If you have any questions or if any part of this isn't working as expected, feel free to reach out to our team. And that's updating your payment information in Webflow.